Hi guys, how are you? Today I'll be doing whipped coffee. I'm sure you've seen it all over in Facebook, Instagram, and even on TikTok. So why not do it? This is quite easy. You'd be needing 2 equal parts of any instant coffee. What I'm using here is Arabica coffee. And we'd be needing white sugar, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, then also 2 tablespoons of hot water. Later on, we'll be needing milk because we're going to put it on top. So any milk you'd like. Plus this bowl and a whisk because we're gonna do a lot of mixing here. Okay, so we're gonna put 2 equal parts of coffee. Okay. Then sugar, put in sugar, water, so 2 tablespoons of water. And then we're gonna whisk it until it becomes frothy. So it will take roughly 7 minutes. If you have a hand mixer, it's quite faster. Yeah, let's do it.